So what I've got set up here is a computer and CAD based version of a shadowgraph, which is something you find in a tool room for measuring drill and cutting tool angles. So as you can see, I've drawn some lines around this image of the drill bit. I've got that line for the left cutting edge, this line over here for the right cutting edge, then I've got a vertical line as well. So I'm going to hit E, brings up the caliper, and I'm going to measure the angles. So this we suspect is a 30-degree drill bit. So I'm going to select the x-axis line, hold Control and select that line as well, and there we have 32 degrees. Okay, it depends how accurately one has laid the line across that cutting edge. Now let's select the other one, and there we got 27 degrees 0.82, so that's a difference of 4. So yeah, I'm off by about 2 degrees with my measurement, which I think I can see over here. So that's nice. This is a sort of a rough but reasonably accurate means of measuring the angles on a drill bit or a cutting tool. I use my microscope. This is a 1.5mm drill bit. Imported the JPEG into Designspark. Then you just lay lines over it and use your measuring tool, or hit E and measure up your image, see what the angles are. Sort of a shadowgraph, as it were, of one's own. And I think that's going to conclude this video, ladies and gentlemen. There's a quick little short one, an interesting one, and possibly something useful that one could use if one needed to measure angles like this and one doesn't have a shadowgraph, a little camera or something, and use your CAD. There you go. Have an awesome day further. Thanks folks. Cheers.